If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. So wow, that's some great work from Quant actually. I think in yesterday's update we said there's 7.5 hours left. We're underneath the 55. If we do close below this, which we were at that time, this is going to validate the M pattern where we're looking for correction. And very swiftly before the daily candle closed, we've confirmed it as support. This is something that I was suggesting in yesterday's update if you want to go ahead and eventually invalidate this downward target, because at the point of recording, the candle was below this point. But we always want to wait for the daily candle close. I'm not there recording for a 7-hour period, so that's why I just let you guys know. A close below this is going to validate the pattern. A close above this does not validate the pattern, still giving us opportunity to form this double bottom over here. What we really now need to see, and we have dumped today already and reclaimed, so 8 hours, 9 hours left, could still close back underneath and validate this pattern. But if we get another daily candle close above this line defending it, which is also the neckline of this potential bearish pattern over here, signaling for a target down to 90, just need to simply hold this, continue to do so. This is still within our purple box of $94 to $100. This is the support that we've been holding for the entire year. We came down and met one of my head and shoulder patterns targets. That's why we reversed as the target was met. This is meant to hold as resistance, and we do continue lower. This is what we were anticipating. But as it broke through, you changed the path. A bullish signal down here had formed. Just confirm it as support, as we did. Look for new highs, as we did, but actually didn't close above it. We did go higher, we didn't close above, and with that, it's the potential for this double top pattern, which we were talking about. You have to go ahead and lose the neckline over here, which is a daily candle close below $98, $99, and then with that, we would actually come down and meet this target. If this is truly bullish, you might even miss it a little. Why? Because if in bull trends, just like the bear market, we see bullish patterns and they either work in the short term and eventually continue lower afterwards, or they don't work at all. If this is truly bullish, then the opposite might happen. We may meet the target and reverse, or you might miss it and then actually continue higher. You can see that we, of course, lost the support, lost the neckline, validating the target, but very swiftly before the candle closure, we reclaimed it. So you were on your way. We didn't get to the halfway point, but we were well on our way in the last two, today and yesterday. And then we've, of course, reversed. So we need to see today's candle closing above the daily 55, $98, $99. And then afterwards reclaiming the 20 and the 200 to invalidate the EMA repel, which is actually what we're seeing at the moment. So in order to invalidate it, must climb above, confirm $102 as support, break out of $109, head to 120 and 130 afterwards. If you haven't already, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Just before we go, I'm going to scale down to the 4-hour time frame. Look at this a little bit clearer for you guys. And what I'm going to do is go use my support to the resistance right over there with some new sets of fibs. What I'm going to do is there's just too many on the chart right now, so I'm going to get rid of the other ones. There was 3, now there's still 2, but we're focused on, if I drag this so it's closer to where we are. There we go. So all in all, we were meant to continue to hold this dotted line over here, and we lost it. And that's why in the last 2 updates, yesterday and today, we were suggesting that daily candle closure below this point, we are continuing lower. You can see that the daily candle actually came all the way back up to that dotted line, closed in and around that area. It's actually slightly beneath, so it means that we're trapped between the dotted line and the orange moving average. So we're trapped between the two, waiting for a breakout. That's why we need to see a reclaim of the golden pocket over here. Let's go back to the 4-hour. A reclaim of this golden pocket. Why? Because look at the 4-hour moving averages. Boom, boom. Reclaiming the golden pocket would be reclaiming the moving average as well, looking for that bullish breakout and a potential double bottom pattern. Continue to use this as resistance, losing the neckline with daily candle closures, and then we actually continue lower. So I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think we'll continue down to $90? Or do you now think, as we are still within this area of support, 94 to 100 that we've been holding for the whole entire year, also not having lost the neckline of the M pattern, which you need to do to invalidate it, to validate it, and that needs a daily candle close below. And we're also holding the second layer of defense of this newly formed bullish cross, which is the 55. And the last time we got a nice bounce over here. We got one in the last few days, but sent us back down to there. Continue to hold this area, continue to hold above this wick. And we can see that this whole area must just be held as support in order to eventually continue higher. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, which path you think this is about to go on. And if you want to get educated, I do have discounts until the end of this month on my course, ebook, and mentorship. Message me on Twitter, links down below for the promo code. And yeah, I hope to see more of you guys joining the community. I do have a Discord as well, where on Tuesdays and Thursdays we go through live mentorship calls where we go through any charts, the strategies that I implement in my trading, so you can go and do so as well as reviewing any of my past trades so you guys can learn from. That's it from me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. We're so very close to 7K. Let's hit that before the end of this month, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, everyone. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.